Let's understand organic chemistry reduction process through some question solving approach. That is very important for point of view of JEE main, NEET and board also. So first of all, we have to solve this question. In this question, we are using LaH, means lithium aluminum hydride, and in reduction process, we have to perform. We all know that when we use lithium aluminum hydride as a reducing agent, it can reduce ketone group into secondary alcohol group, as well as it can also reduce ester bond also. Ester functional group also can reduce by lithium aluminum hydride. That is the ester linkage. So we will get the compound A like that. This keto group will convert into 2-degree alcoholic group, as well as this ester linkage will be break down and it get reduced into OH group, alcoholic group. So we will get like that, OH, and here also OH. So that will our product A. And if we are talking about the product B, what will be the product B? We are using sodium borohydride in methanol. We know sodium borohydride is not a stronger reducing agent, it is a selective mild reducing agent. It can reduce only ketone group into 2-degree alcohol. It cannot reduce ester linkage. That's why ester linkage will be intact in the case of B, and that keto group will convert into 2-degree alcoholic group. So our product will be like that. That will be intact. Ester linkage will be intact. It will not change. But that keto group will convert into 2-degree or secondary alcoholic group. So that is B, and that one is A. Now let's see, if we are using this compound, this reactant, and we want to reduce it through LaH, lithium aluminum hydride, then we know that Br will not reduce, because lithium aluminum hydride just only reduce alkyl halide. Lithium aluminum hydride reduce 1-degree alkyl halide and 2-degree alkyl halide into alkane, and 3-degree alkyl halide into alkene. But aryl halides are not reduced by aluminum, that is lithium aluminum hydride. And but NO2 group, yes, NO2 group gets converted into diazo compounds when we react nitrobenzene. When we react nitrobenzene with LaH, or LaH reduce nitrobenzene into diazo compound, it remove its oxygen. So our product will be like that. We will get diazo compounds. Like that. We will get that diazo compound, and because ortho position is occupied by Br group, that's why both ring ortho position will be occupied by Br. So we will get that compound, because we know that when we reduce nitrobenzene with lithium aluminum hydride, then we get diazo compounds. So it reduce nitro compound into nitrobenzene into nitro compound. That's why we are getting our product. So product X will be like that. Thank you.